So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do a Nykaa haul for you all. I had ordered some products 3-4 days ago and they all came to me today. I hope you all like my new haircut which I got, and I know it looks a little different. I got this flick which I always actually get, but it is just that I had my last haircut on like near my birthday, near 7th December. But now at last I have got it, and I know it's short, it's this much, but I think I really like it and I really need a change. And बहुत गंदे हो गए थे मेरे से बाल. I had started getting split ends and stuff. So now let's just stop talking and then let's get started. So yeah guys, the first product which I have is this Lakme Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is the product. I am damn sure most of you know about it. Guys, I'm opening it from here, and oh god, I am just so, my products don't come, as obviously Nykaa products don't come all at the same time, so it was too hard for me to wait until all the products come so that I can do a small video haul for you all. Oh god, I'm getting really excited. It's almost opened. Oh my god guys, it looks very nice. Okay, so yeah guys, oh my god, I am also seeing it for the first time, so you guys can see my reactions as well. This is so pretty guys, this is so pretty. It's written here, Voluminous Lash Paradise, waterproof. The body looks so good, and like it looks so nice. Like, I am loving it. Let's just open it and see it as well, because I know it has a different, the, what do you call, the, this thing, whatever you call. Oh god, this is so nice. I really want to try it, but I'm not right now. Okay, it looks nice and I really like it. I was hoping, because I've heard really good reviews about it, that yeah, if you have this, you don't need any other. So I'm like, okay, let's buy it and try it, and I think it looks very nice. I'm gonna try it also and review it in any other makeup video which I am going to do. This I got on a sale. Its actual price is $7.99, but I got this for $5.99. So yeah, I think it was on sale and I got it, and I think you should buy it, because I've not tried it, but I've heard really good reviews. So if you want to try it out, you can surely try it out. And yeah, I just tucked in my hair because it was coming on my face all the time. So the next product I have is the Maybelline New York Master Strobing Cream. I really want to buy this from the starting. I know the ring light is shown, but still I'm just going to open it. I still didn't open it and see it also. And this was for, I think, $6.65, and there was no sale on it. So it's really nice. I've heard really good reviews about this too. And let's just open it and see it, how good it looks. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. Can you just see how small it is? This is the Master Chrome, I hope. I just wanted to zoom. I think this is the Master Chrome, and so cute. I really like it, and yeah, I think it looks very nice. I really wanted, I wanted to buy actually MAC. I wanted to buy this too, but MAC also I wanted to buy, but MAC and this, I know MAC is too expensive right now, and I don't want to do so much of kharcha. So I thought I'll buy this. I think it looks very nice. I just want to try it on my back of my hand once how it is. So I'll just do it here for you all as well. Okay, I thoda sa laga diya guys. It looks so pretty, right? Oh god, I'm so excited. And just just rub it. I just want to see how much how much illuminating it is. Okay. Oh god, wow, I think it is pretty nice. It's very hydrating, I must say, and I think it's very, very nice. Can you just see the difference? Maybe you can. I think this is how it is looking. I hope it's showing the camera. My camera is not professional. I'm shooting from my phone, so I'm not that sure. So you guys have to tell me if you guys can see how it's looking. I think I like it, and it smells pretty nice. I think it is nice. Oh wow, it just like dried off. Like, it's so soft as well. I think it's very nice. and my skin actually reacts sometimes, but it did not react, so it means it's really nice for me. I like it, and I think I'm gonna try it with makeup, so I'm not gonna give any reviews right now. The reviews of the products I have tried, do teen hai, that I'm damn sure gonna give it right now. But this is very nice, and I think it will be very nice too. And by the way guys, all the the products which I'm telling will be mentioned down below, and their prices as well, so you can all check it out on Nykaa. As well as, I just want to tell you, there are two products which are not at all from Nykaa haul that will be shown in the last. So first I'm showing you all the makeup products which I have. The next product which I have is this Color Bar 24 hours weightless liquid foundation. My shade is FC 2.2. I think you guys have seen it in my last makeup video, the smoky eye makeup. And guys, this foundation is very nice. Today also I wore this foundation, and I think it's very lightweight, doesn't feel like I have put any foundation. So I thought, I'll just add it here as well. I couldn't wait for this to use, so I had to. And this is what it is. This is the foundation, and it has a very nice pump as well here. The pump disturbs the foundation, but I think it's very nice. I really like it. You just pump it out on your finger, like on your palm, or if you want to put it directly, it's your own choice. But I think it's very nice. And touch wood, it's actually my shade. I was getting a little scared because I've never bought any. I have two foundations now, but still, I never bought a foundation like online, so I was a little scared. And this was for $9.95. There was no sale on it. I know it is expensive, but I think it's reasonable and it is good. There are many shades in it. There are not too many shades, but there are good amount of shades, so I think it's very nice. This color bar, I'll just show it to you. This is, and now we'll jump into the next one. So guys, the next product which I have is this pack tapered lash in 54. I think it looks very pretty, guys. I hope you can see it. I got this for, I think, 45. I just forgot. This is for 245, and I think it looks very pretty. It's a very natural one. I really wanted, this fake lashes. I really want to try it, and I want to see how good it looks on me. So I think I got the most natural ones. I saw the reviews and read them. It was all shown that it is one of the natural looking eyelashes, and it's very nice. So I thought I'm just gonna try it out. So obviously I think it looks very nice. I'm gonna try it out in my next makeup video as well. So yeah, now obviously with this what the next product will be, so we'll just get into it. So obviously the next product has to be the lash fixer. It's transparent, guys. I have heard a lot about it. I think it's very nice. The lash glue, and this is how it looks. I think it looks cute. It's small and cute. I hope it makes my makeup look nice. Sorry, makeup, I'm saying my eyeshadow settle down properly, the fake one. And this is how it looks, and I think it's pretty nice. I think I got this for God. I just saw like in the Nykaa orders that it is 400. Like, oh god, like this is too much. It's like I'm reading it, it's 450. Like, it's freaking 450 rupees. So whatever, I think it will be pretty nice. And now we'll just jump into the next product. The next product which I have is also, you have seen in my before video, is this pack brush in the 3-in-3 It's of rupees 395. It's the concealer brush, and I really need a concealer brush because you can't go in the inner corners with your the beauty blender. So I had to try it out, and you saw it in my before video. I used it today also. It just does such a good job. Like, it just helps like go in your nose corners, under your eyes, like you really need it properly. It does an amazing job. This is how it looks, and it's 219 as I told you, and it's very nice. Its bristles are also very nice and thick, and I think it looks very nice and does a really great job. So I think you guys should try it out. And again, let's go to the next product. I think now it's the skincare type, so now I'll jump into the skincare of the stuff which I have got. So yeah, Guys, the next product which I have is this Smashbox the original photo finish smooth and blur primer. This is the again small version of the other which I also have. You have seen it, the purple one, and I have heard really good things about this. And guys, I'll be really honest with you all. जैसे मैंने इसको लगाया, it was an instant, like, you know, blur, instant blur. And I put it today also. I'm putting it regularly whenever I'm putting makeup, but it's the amazing product. I am in love with this, and I'm damn sure you should buy it. It is something people who like putting makeup or put makeup should at least get this one. This is more better than that one actually. This is very nice. I hope you can see it. I know because the light you may not be able to, and I know it's a small one, but it is expensive. It is only this much is for $9.90. I know it is very expensive, but I think, you know, you should just give it a try. It will, you know, last long if you don't put too much, because I put a little bit and then I just apply it. So I think it's very nice. I give it a 5 out of 5. And yeah, now let's jump to the other product. Guys, this is a proper skincare product. This is from Garnier Hydra Bomb Eye Serum Mask. This is what I have got. I think I really needed this. I want to try it as well. You know, people say it's very nice, so I thought I want to give it a try, and I think it relaxed. I wanted to use it, but I didn't because I was a little scared. But I think it's very nice, and it's brightening eye mask, reduces eye bags, dark circles, orange extract, and hyaluronic acid serum, -4-degree cooling effect. And I think it's very nice. And she said new. I think it's new or something. And this is what the product is all about. I really want to try this. And this is for only, it's actually 99 rupees, but there was a discount going on, and I got this for only 64 rupees. And there's only one inside it, and I think it will be amazing. I have heard good reviews about it, so I had to buy it. And yeah, so with that, I have the next product which I have is the Garnier Milky Serum Mask Light Complete Instant Brightening Milky Serum, 1 tone brighter skin, and one mask is equal to 1 week of serum. So this is the next one which I got, and I think Garnier is a good brand for skincare as well. So मुझे लगा कि I should try it, and it looks nice. Like, I like this packaging a lot, I'll be really honest. And you know, this packaging just attracted me towards it. So मुझे लगा कि यार तो मैं खरीदूंगी. तो मैंने उसको खरीद लिया है, and I think I'm really happy with this. And yeah guys, I'm enjoying it. I want to use it really fast. So I was just waiting for this haul to get over and then I use it. Maybe today only I'll use it. I don't know. Let's see. And yeah guys, this is for 99 rupees. It's very reasonable, and if it is good for me, I think it will be good for you too. I think so, and I think you can try it. So yeah. So yeah guys, the next two products are free products. I know, you know, I like to show free products. Also free products से ज़्यादा और also free products, wow, क्या है करके होता है. I get it. So I got these two. This is the 310. It's a foundation actually, liquid foundation. This is not my shade, but I'm just showing you. This is free. And by chance I got my shade. It's 128 warm nude, which I have in Fit Me. And this is the second one which I got these two, and it's very nice. So I'm just gonna put this one in the, you know, my bottle and use it. So yeah guys, free products. Now we'll go to the other one. Guys, I just want to show this in the haul because it looks very nice, and I couldn't resist it. I'm like, दिखाई देती है कुछ नहीं होता. So I got this necklace from I went to street, not exactly street, but I think the previous vlog you would have seen with day out where I got this haircut as well. We stopped in a jewelry shop, like, you know, jewelry के लोग खड़े रहते हैं, वो बेचते हैं and stuff. तो वहाँ से मैंने ये necklace खरीदा guys. It looks so pretty, so freaking pretty, but it's very expensive. It's 250 for this. I know, but just see how pretty it is. Like, it is so pretty. It has these small hearts, as you can see. These small heart it has, and I think it's very pretty. So I thought I will show it to you all how this is, and I want to wear it. And yeah guys, H&M से तो बहुत ही expensive होता है, but I think it looks very nice. I am in love with it, yeah. Like, it looks so pretty. Like, I saw 4, 5, it had stars, hearts, like different types of hearts, but I think I loved this one, this heart one, and I got it. It is for 250 rupees. And the other product, I'll also show you how much it was. And this is from a company called Mumso or something like that. I know, I first thought it's Miniso, or like Miniso ka fake brand to nahi hai and stuff like that, but I don't know if this is the brand. I didn't see it, I just went inside. So this is what I have got. This is a LED light folding makeup mirror, touch control, rotatable and foldable. I really wanted this guys because you know मैं makeup करती हूँ and I use this small चुटकू mirror. So I thought कि मेरे को ये try करना है. तो ये ऐसे लगता है, आपको दिखा देती हूँ. So this is how it looks. Oh god, my bed is seen. My bed is really dirty, so I'll just show you. Like ऐसा mirror है ये. आपको ऐसे दिखा देती हूँ. ये this is how the mirror looks like. ऐसा this is how the mirror is, and this part can be folded like this. आप ऐसे fold कर सकते, थोड़ा ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, तो अपने हिसाब से कर सकते हो. So you can see this small button, and you just press it. Wow! So I can just, you know, when I'm doing my makeup, or I'm even shooting makeup videos, I can just, you know, do my makeup like this. So I think it's much better, and I think it's very, very pretty. I'll show it to you from here. And it's touch control, so okay, and it's off. So I think it's very, very nice. I really like it. I can use it like this. I just hold it like this and I can use it like this. Or if I'm sitting on a table, like मैं आराम से बेड पे बैठी हूँ, तो मैं ऐसे रख के भी उसके ऊपर अपना मेकअप ऐसे कर सकती. This was pretty expensive. I think, let me just check how much it was for. 799 means 800. It's a 800 product, but I thought, you know, I want to have it because I'm so done with this small chutku mirror. So I think it's very nice. This is one of my favorite purchases, I'll be really honest. I really liked it, and I'm like, अरे मेरे को बहुत काम आएगा ये. So yeah guys, that's all for today, and all the products again I'm telling will be written in the description box below, the price as well. And शायद अगर आप मुमसो जाओ तो आप ये भी खरीद सकते हो. उसके बाद बहुत ऐसे स्क्वायर वाले भी थे and stuff, and I like this one, so you can get it by your own self. And yeah guys, now it's time to end this video. And so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video you guys get notified. And I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.